Hi, I am Shanmugam from Grade 10B. Today we are going to see about resources and its classification. Let's go into the video. First of all, what is resource? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs provided it should be technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable is termed as resource. Resources are gift from nature. We should never exploit it. Now, let us look into classification of resource. Resources are classified on the basis of four types. They are on the basis of origin, on the basis of accessibility, on the basis of ownership, and on the basis of status of development. Now, let me explain you about the classification of resource on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, the resources are classified into two types, biotic resource and abiotic resource. Biotic resource are the resources which are obtained from the biosphere and have life. For example, humans, flora and fauna. All those things which are composed of non-living things, for example, rocks, minerals, metals are called abiotic resource. Now, let me explain you about the classification of resource on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, the resources are classified into renewable and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource are the resource which can be renewed or replenished by physical or chemical process. For example, solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resource are the resource which cannot be renewed or replenished by physical or chemical process, or it takes a very long time to be renewed or replenished. For example, fossil fuels. Now, let us look into the classification of resource on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, resources are classified into four types. They are individual resource, community resource, national resource and international resource. Individual resource are the resource which are owned by an individual. For example, let it be your own house or land. Community resource. Resources which are accessible to people who belong to a particular community or place. For example, a temple of a village or a graveyard which is in village, etc. National resource. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. Countries even have legal powers to acquire private properties for public sectors. We might have seen railway contracts, food contracts and roads are being constructed by individuals in private sector. The forests, wildlife and the water resource available in our country belongs to national resource too. The resource available in the ocean within 12 nautical miles, that is 22.2 kilometers from the coast, even belongs to the country as national resource. International resource. International resources are regulated by few international institutions. The resource available beyond 200 nautical miles from the coast of any countries is international resource. These resources cannot be utilized by any countries without the proper permission from these international resources. The ocean beyond 200 nautical miles from the coast of any country is known as exclusively economic zone. Okay, let us now see the resource classified on the basis of status of development. On the basis of status of development, the resources are classified into potential resource, developed resource and stock. First, I will explain you about potential resource. These resources are not being used, or we might not have a proper technology to use, and the quality and quantity of these resources are not being surveyed. For example, Rajasthan and Gujarat have a large amount of wind and solar energy, but they are not being developed. Developed resource. These resources are being surveyed and their quantity and quality is known. The development of these resources depend on the technological development. Stock, the resource which have potential to fulfill the human needs, but human do not have a proper technological to access these resources. Example, water is a compound of two inflammable gas, hydrogen and oxygen. Humans do not have technology to make water using these two gases. Thank you.